Hey guys. Alright, so today what we are going to do is basically take this raggedy wig, this old raggedy wig, which has a nice color to it, by the way. Anyway, and we're just going to cut it into a bob, okay? We are going to basically flat iron this part, okay? With my flat iron. Now you could get any type of flat iron. You get a flat iron to go on the stove. You get one that plugs in. This one plugs in, and it gets pretty hot. But I think the one on the stove stays hot throughout, because this gets hot, and once you use it, then it feels like you have to let it sit another 5 minutes to steam up again. But not really 5. I'm just exaggerating. But you get the point. All right.